Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to stabilize like a pro in After Effects. Step 1 is to use the 3D camera tracker to track your clip. As soon as the analyzing is done, go ahead and select points on the part you want to track. Create a solid in camera and then pre-compose your clip once. Make sure you toggle on Move All Attributes and open the composition again. Here duplicate your solid and change the color by using the hue effect. Resize them to the right size and leave the composition again. Now use the Stabilize Motion tab on the right to track the solid. Resize your clip as wanted. There is also a manual method, but I prefer this one. Now go back to your first composition and toggle of solids. And here you go, a perfect stabilized clip. Subscribe and like the video please.